I will share two methods with you. Go to Semrush and log in or sign up for a free account. In the Semrush search bar, type the website URL you want to analyze. Then click the search button. Next, in the domain overview section, you'll see key metrics like organic search traffic, paid search traffic, and other domain and website information. This is a detailed website analytics overview. Moving on to the second method. Visit SimilarWeb and install the SimilarWeb Chrome extension. Once the extension is installed, you will see a SimilarWeb icon like this. Next, go to the website for which you want to check traffic. Then click the SimilarWeb extension icon in the Chrome toolbar. It will display website traffic insights like total monthly visits, traffic sources, geographical distribution, and engagement metrics. This is how you can check any website's traffic for free.